customers hitting a wall when they try to send files. That wall is Zendesk's hard attachment limits, and they apply to every plan, every tier, with no exceptions. This video shows you exactly where the limits are and 3 practical workarounds to get around them. Zendesk sets hard file size limits across all channels. No plan upgrade removes them. Every tier from support team to suite enterprise shares the same caps. The limits are fixed, there is no workaround within Zendesk itself, and files over the limit are rejected outright. For Zendesk messaging, the limit is 50 megabytes per file, but only 1 attachment per message. Customers sending multiple screenshots have to send separate messages for each one. That's the constraint. 50 megabyte per file, 1 file per message, no exceptions. Ticket attachment limits depend on whether the user is logged in. Authenticated users get 50 megabyte per file and up to 500 files per ticket, enough for complex support cases. Unauthenticated users get the same 50 megabyte file size limit, but only 5 files per ticket total, hard-coded as a spam prevention measure that admins cannot change. Different channels have different limits. Help Center articles and attachments support 20 millimeters per file. Community posts and images drop to only 2 MB. Outbound email allows 50 MB, but Gmail caps at 25 MB, and many corporate mail servers block anything over 10 MB. Always check the receiving end, not just Zendesk's limit. In 2023, Zendesk introduced overage charges for storage. Zendesk tracks file storage and data storage separately. When you exceed your allocation, overage charges appear in Admin Center. This means large attachment volumes don't just hit file size limits, they also affect your monthly bill. Your total storage budget depends on both your plan tier and your agent count. Support Team and Suite. Team plans start at 10 GB plus 2 GB per agent for file storage. Suite Professional increases to 5 GB per agent. Suite Enterprise allocates 10 GB per agent. Exceeding your allocation triggers overage charges. Workaround 1. Upload large files to cloud storage and paste the link into your Zendesk response. Google Drive auto-converts files over 25 MB. OneDrive supports files up to 250 GB. Dropbox offers password-protected sharing links. Box adds enterprise security with audit trails. Set permissions to view only and add expiry dates for sensitive files. Workaround 2 is SendSafely's Zendesk integration, which handles files up to 10 GB. Files never touch Zendesk servers. They're encrypted client-side using OpenPGP with AES 256 before upload. Identity verification uses a one-time passcode, and all files live on SendSafely's infrastructure only. This is the right choice for sensitive data that genuinely cannot go through standard cloud storage. Workaround 3 is proactive storage management before overage charges hit. Timed ticket deletion removes old tickets automatically. Attachment redaction frees file storage while preserving the ticket's conversation history. Exporting ticket data to your own document store, then deleting it from Zendesk moves the storage burden off your account entirely. eesel AI connects to your existing tools including Zendesk and handles file sharing through channels that match how your team already works. It routes large files through appropriate channels by type and size, integrates with cloud storage to manage file transfer workflows, and maintains full context even when files are hosted externally. Use native Zendesk for files under 50 MB in simple support workflows. Use cloud storage links for occasional large files where cost is a concern. Use SendSafely when you need encryption for sensitive files over 50 MB. And if file handling is just one of several friction points slowing your team down, eesel AI addresses the broader problem. eesel AI connects to Zendesk and your other tools to handle file sharing without rigid caps. Try it free for 7 days at www.eesel.ai. No credit card required.